Here I am back again. They used to call me Controversial Campbell because I used to tell it like it was. The thing is, though, I got a bit too controversial last year. Doctor said I got to take it easy on the old ticker, you know. The wife said...
Get a new hobby, Controversial Campbell. Take it easy, put your feet up. Get a telescope.
So that's what I did. You know what? There is something great about stars. Galaxies, you know. Binary star systems. Binary. Now there is a language I understand. Nothing but ones and zeros. None of these lines on top of vowels or genitives or English bastardizations that you see in the Gaelic. But you see, when I get myself a bit worked up like that, instead of going away and giving myself a bit of a tug, I just take a wee gander in my telescope. Telescope. A grand English word, that one, eh? Sometimes I might see nothing, and then sometimes I might... Wait a minute. What the hell is that? You are taking the piss. Bloody Gaelic, taking over the damn solar system. Alien.
See anything interesting, dear?
Absolutely bugger all.